Well, tonight CBS airs the first installment of Survivor, Palau. You know Palau, the chain of islands in the Pacific Ocean. Well, if you haven't heard of the country, it's okay. It's only been around for a few years. Our Cindy Pena has more about this tropical island paradise.
In the western part of the Pacific Ocean lies a country few have ever heard of. Have you ever heard of Palau?
No.
Know where it is?
I have no idea.
That's somewhere like in Asia?
Thinking it's somewhere in like in Africa, maybe.
Palau, a relatively new nation established in 1994, is comprised of 300 islands, only 9 of which are inhabited. With volcanic islands and lush green mountains, Palau is home to 20,000 people.
Palau is the charm of Micronesia. It's got 300 islands. It's got white sandy beaches, blue waters.
So how do you get to Palau? Well, from Washington, you fly to Houston. From Houston, Texas, past Honolulu to Guam, and from Guam to Palau. It's quite a trip. With flight time and layovers, it'll take about 24 hours to get here. But once you arrive, paradise.
It's best known for its diving, underwater diving, scuba dive. So if you want to scuba dive, you have to make a trip to Palau and try our pristine water. And I mean, you just have to go and see for yourself.
They're proud of their homeland, eager to share it with others. Bringing Survivor here brought money this tiny island nation had never seen before.
The direct benefit was $3.6 million for the 3 months they were shooting there.
A boatload of bucks for a country that didn't have television until the 1980s. And that's part of the beauty of this still untouched gem of the Pacific. Remote and relatively unknown. But after Survivor, maybe not for long. Cindy Pena, 9 News.
Looks good to me. Maybe not to top.
We are cruising through a remote and absolutely breathtaking section of the Pacific. Crystal clear water that is home to one of the most spectacular natural wonders of the world, the island paradise of Palau. It is a unique landscape featuring hundreds of lush islands, magnificent coral reefs, and an underwater sanctuary of sea life like no other. Sharks, manta rays, giant clams, and literally millions of jellyfish. But this paradise has an infamous history. These waters were home to some of the most fierce battles of World War II, and the remnants of war haunt these jungles and litter the ocean floor in a watery grave. It is an eerie mix of man's explosive past and nature's power to reclaim. For the first time ever, there are 20 survivors. They've been set adrift with only the clothes on their backs and 1 canteen of water each. Everything they've come to expect about the way this game begins will soon be wiped out. 39 days, 20 people, 1 survivor.